Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates, guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So now, if you take a look at this movement right here, you will see that our New Zealand dollar JPY is an uptrend move. This is our overall trend on New Zealand dollar JPY. We are in an uptrend move. As you can see, the full bigger picture, market is what's moving to the upside. Now, this is the rules of trading. Know your trend first, then trade with the trend. Remember, you do not trade against your trend. You actually trade with the trend. So we can see the market has been trending to the upside, right? So what we should be doing right now is to be trading to the upside. So since market is moving upward, what we should be doing, or we should also be moving upward on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So this is to tell you that our overall trend on New Zealand dollar JPY is to the upside. It is an uptrend move. Now, guys, let's take a look at what markets will be doing for a day. So now, remember, once the eye plays out, you must expect an higher low, right, which is a pullback. So we should be expecting an higher low, which is a pullback right here. So this is a pullback right here. Market has dropped, right? So with this drop, we should be expecting market to actually push up again. So we should expect market to push up. That should be giving us, if I'm not wrong, between 50 pips. So guys, look to grab between 50 to 70 pips movements on New Zealand dollar JPY. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, as there's a possibility there will be, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So if you do not want to miss out on any updates, what you just need to do is very simple, guys. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.